guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. For today, I'm gonna cook one of my favorite cuisine, and that is Indian food. Because of this pandemic, we're not eating out and I'm really craving for Indian food. So I started looking on YouTube how to cook some of the dishes that I love. And here I'm gonna share one with you. I hope everybody's doing good. So let's start it. We will drizzle some oil. It's around 4 to 5 tablespoons. We'll just wait till it gets hot. Now it's ready. We're gonna put onion. The onion will be around 3 to 4 medium-sized onion. We need to wait till it's golden brown. Indian food is one of my favorite cuisines. Now in the comfort of our home, I can enjoy it and we don't need to go out and eat. What I love about Indian food is that they use a lot of natural spices and ingredients. That's why their food is really good. This Indian chicken curry is the simpler one that I've seen in YouTube. However, it tastes so good. Every time I cook this, me and Dad eats a lot. A lot. I started ordering online those spices that I needed for me to be able to cook some of the dishes that I love. So next time, that's the dish I'm gonna share with you guys. It will take time for the onion to get brown, so just wait for it. As I mentioned a while ago, there's a lot of way this Indian curry is being cooked. This is the simpler one and I love it. And I will try to cook the other version as well. But this one, we already love it. Okay guys, now that our onion is brown, we're gonna add the crushed garlic and ginger, and we're about to cook this for 2 minutes in medium heat. The oil that I've used is olive oil. There's different type of olive oil. If you're gonna cook, you need to use smooth. This is used for stir fry and sauteing, because there's a different kind of that you can use for salad, something like that. Now we're gonna add our tomato. The tomato is around 3 to 4 medium size. We're just gonna cook this before we add some of the spices and the chicken. Now that we're cooking the tomato, we can also add the turmeric powder. You can add around 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, depend on your preference. What I love how the Indian dish is being cooked is they crush or paste the ginger and the garlic, so it incorporates so good with the sauce. So good. Now we can add our chicken. And by this time, you can put your stove to high heat. We just mix this till the chicken goes brown. At this point, we can now add the chili powder, the garam masala. This is an Indian spice. I love this. It makes your dish smell so good and tastes so yummy. And salt to taste. We'll just put a little as of now. We'll just add if we need more. And we need to continue to cook this for 5 minutes before we add water. I can smell the garam masala. Smells so good. The chili powder, it depends on your preference, how spicy you want your food. But remember, the garam masala is a little spicy already. Again, we'll just continue browning the chicken for 5 minutes under medium heat, guys. It smells so good already. The garam masala brings yummy scent. You will feel hungry. Mike is asking if we can eat. I said, no, I need to add water and let it boil. Okay, we'll just keep on browning it and mixing it. And then we're gonna add water. Smells so good. And now this is ready. We can add the water. Add 200 to 300 ml of water. And we'll just let it boil for low heat until the consistency change. And while we're waiting, I'm gonna prepare. Of course, we cannot eat Indian chicken curry without the naan. Now it's boiling. We just let it boil for 20 minutes under low heat. That's it, guys. We have the finished product here. And we can't wait to dig in. And of course, we're gonna eat it with garlic naan. We just bought this from the store. Again, guys, if you like this video, I hope I can get a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time we have a new video. Again,
Mom, why you didn't?
Okay, here.
Here.
Okay. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our video for today. You say hi. Hi to them. You say hi.
Hi.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you on our next video. Stay safe. Bye.